Alright, so welcome back people to MG Sports TV. I have some updates. I don't know anything already. Always have updates to drop every single time. This one is kind of a curveball. Hit you out the park. So hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Know anything already. Thank you very much again for the continued support. Leon Bailey, again, now heavily linked to Manchester United. Have a sip to that. Before we go any further, all the Man United supporters, tell me in the comment section, what do you think about this link? What do you think about this link? Would you want to see Leon Bailey at Manchester United? Tell us what you think. Anyways, according to Sky Sports News, Aston Villa's Leon Bailey is another name under consideration by Manchester United as a possible signing before Monday transfer window deadline date. Any deal for Leon Bailey would be separate to Aston Villa's move for Marcus Rashford. Now, quite interesting because Aston Villa seems to be going in the market for forward or like for attackers. They're going for Tell. Rashford is heavily linked. So the question is, what's happening there? Are they expecting to lose quite a few of their attackers? They have already recently sold John Duran to Al Nassr in the Saudi League. The big question is, are they considering, or there's an aspect of they might lose another attacker because they're going in for Marcus Asensio. Well, let me see. They're getting quite a few attackers coming in for this season, and also Ollie Watkins is also heavily linked to a move away from Aston Villa. So this is very, very interesting. What is happening at Aston Villa? Would be interesting to see it though. I think so. Would be really, really interested to see how this materializes. Anyways, that's where the update stops. I won't go any further. Deadline day possibilities are we might see Leon Bailey making the switch from Aston Villa to Manchester United. Tell us what you think in the comment section. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV. We're out. God bless. Boom. You know what I mean?